Hello, and welcome to the TV room. I'm going to turn the 64 on. And it comes up just dandy. So, what I'm going to do now, just to see what's what, I did on another machine pull out a RAM chip from U12. So far, putting another RAM chip in to that 64 has done nothing to make it better. I better get my glasses. Hang on. See, this is the chip that I unsoldered. And that can sometimes leave some ghastly pins. Okay. So we're going to put this RAM chip into the board that has missing RAM chips. Come on, you. What is going on here? Why does it not want to go in? It could be in difficulties. Let's pop this out and have another close look. Where are my little wee pliers? Here are some. Alright. It's time to tweak the pins. Make sure they are nice and straight. And they seem to be. Alright, let's try that again. Really does not want to go in. I certainly don't want to ruin the socket. I do not. But they look okay, these pins, they do. But they just don't want to go in. Let's have another look-see. This may be not worth the trouble. I'm going to take all the pins, bend them in just a little wee bit, try and get them all lined up just so, and then look at the spacing. See, sometimes when you unsolder things, they get a bit of a dirty thing because they've had solder directly on them. And they might not line up just so. But these look okay. Well, I'll give it one last try. Oh, absolutely doesn't want to go. And I see there is stress indeed on one of the pins. It just doesn't want to go. Maybe it has too much old solder on the end. But it doesn't look anything strange. Why? And I'm looking into the socket. I don't see anything weird. Alright, we're gonna try. I think we're in. Alright, now, if that RAM chip was indeed bad, as everything reported it to be, this machine should not work. And it comes up. Alright, well, let's put this diagnostic retro run diagnostic cartridge in and see if anything comes up. Meanwhile, I'm looking inside for U13. There's U13. It's next to the RAM chips. Since there was some stuff in one of the notes that I found and that I looked at that said someone was having difficulty with RAM things, and ended up being a U13. Let's see what this thing. This is supposed to check RAM chips as well as everything else. And in the distance, a car could be heard honking loudly and wildly. There are a good number of support chips in the 64. Okay, what do we got here? It is going through. It should probably get to the sound check soon. Maybe we don't need that quite as loud. Alright, well, that went okay. I'm still somewhat baffled as to how a machine that comes up and flashes once is not seeming to be the trouble that it seems to be. But I guess that's the thing about strange multiple failures. Alright, well, let's get to it. Oh no. That did not go well. Oh dear. This did not go well at all because it's recording in the wrong configuration. Thanks for coming. We'll do this again. Or something. Bye for now.